Are you ready to launch your cybersecurity career? The eJPT certification is here to help you succeed. Many aspiring professionals struggle to find a way into the cybersecurity field. The eJPT provides the perfect solution to kickstart your journey. This hands-on, entry-level certification simulates real-world scenarios. Gain practical skills in penetration testing and auditing systems. Master 4 critical domains: host and network penetration testing, assessment methodologies, networking auditing, and web application testing. What sets eJPT apart? You'll develop hands-on experience that employers crave, proving your skills on the job. Don't wait. Start your certification journey today. Visit our website and shop for your eJPT exam voucher now. Your future in cybersecurity awaits.